students from SCIM 3433 Digital Game Project Management. This video was made in part of completing this course. Now, we are going to show you our project. The theme of the game is Malaysian culture and the game basically about eating local food in order to progress.
Here you can see the environment is like a Malay village. In order to progress, we have to eat the food in this level. On top left, you can see the scoreboard. In this level, we have nasi lemak, rendang, and laksa. On passing the last checkpoint, the bridge to the next level will emerge. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.